What is up, guys? Totally Toast here and welcome to my $350 gaming computer. Let's get into it. This PC is aimed for anyone who wants to make a gaming computer but with the plans of upgrading in the future. For anyone who is serious into making a gaming computer on a budget, keep listening. Starting things off with the CPU, we have the Intel Pentium G3258. This dual-core processor is clocked at 3.2 GHz, which will fit in our LJ 1150 board. This means that in the future you can upgrade to any higher Intel Core processor. For more on the CPU, it's very reliable with the option to overclock for better results, which I do suggest. Lastly, the CPU has an average rating of 4.8 on PC Part Picker. For the motherboard, we have the MSI H8 1MP33. This is a great quality board and it will support our CPU. It also has room to upgrade to 16 GB of storage for our RAM. However, it's only got one PCIe slot, meaning that it can only support one graphics card. But this motherboard also has an average rating of 4.4. For our RAM, we have the Kingston HyperX Fury Black. So we went with 8 GB of DDR3 1866 MHz memory. Since it's only one DIMM of memory, you'll have the option to add another 8 GB of memory later on. Not much more to say about this other than its 4.8 rating. Moving on to the hard drive, we have the Western Digital AVGP. So this hard drive has a whole 1 TB of storage. Not much more to say about this other than its 4.2 rating. On to the most important part of our build, we have the EVGA GTX 950 for the Win Edition. This graphics card comes with 2 GB of GDDR5 memory clocked at 1.2 GHz. This for the Win Edition performs better than the base models and is encouraged for overclocking. Lastly, this GPU has an average of 4.8. For the power supply, we have the EVGA 430 watt power supply. This is a reliable power supply that will power our system and will help power the parts that we choose to upgrade in the future. Nothing else really to say about this other than its 80 plus bronze certification and its 4.6 rating. Lastly, for the case, we have the Cooler Master N200. So this is a really solid looking budget case that will help fit all the components in the build currently and for anything you choose to upgrade in the future. So it looks really nice for the price and it just has a 4.3 average rating. Now that I've gone through all the parts, keep in mind that you guys will need an operating system to run the build. The system you use is completely up to you, however stay tuned for a video I'll be making soon of how to get systems like Windows 10 for super cheap. So now that we've fully completed the build, let's see how this PC performs playing some games.
Race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly. Oh, we'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly.
Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. The build will be linked down below in the description, and get ready for more consistent videos coming out soon. My name is Totally Toast, and I'll see you guys in the next one.